Sinabi ng karma, wait for me. Alam mo yung feeling na may mga taong akala nila hindi sila mababalikan ng ginawa nila? Yung tipong ang taas ng tingin nila sa sarili nila na kaya nilang bastusin ng iba? Magsalita ng masama o tapakan ang tao kasi akala nila okay lang. Pero let me tell you something real. Karma never forgets. Hindi siya nagmamadali. Pero hindi rin siya nakakalimot. May mga taong akala mo wala lang yung ginawa nila sa'yo, yung hindi ka pinansin, yung minaliit ka, yung ginawang option ka lang, pero habang busy sila mang down ng iba, may oras din na babalik lahat ng yon sa kanila. Not as revenge, but as a lesson. Kaya ngayon, if you're in a position where you have power, influence, or even just confidence in life, remember this. Hindi mo kailangang magmataas para umangat. Hindi mo kailangang manira para sumikat. At lalong hindi mo kailangang manginsulto para maramdaman mong above ka. Because one day, the same respect you gave people, yan din yung ibabalik sa'yo ng life. And the same disrespect, hindi man agad, pero may balik yan. So choose kindness, even when no one is watching. Even when you feel like you can get away with it. Kasi at the end of the day, karma doesn't shout. It whispers, wait for me.